Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. The last video we did switch statements using multiple cases, and then I did say we were gonna do arrays for this video, but I lied. So we're not gonna do the arrays right now. So I believe that it's better if we do functions first, and then we can move on to the arrays. Anyways, I don't wanna. Let's just start. All right, so that's if you're gonna use the console in the web browser, which is access to the page by just a simple right click and then inspect element if you're on Mozilla, or inspect in Google Chrome. Anyways, so let's create a function, a simple one. So it would be like this. So you start with the keyword function, and we're gonna call it myfunc, followed by two parentheses, and then a function will be anything inside these brackets will be its block. Inside the parentheses, I'm gonna put a parameter, and I'm gonna call it, let's call it a number. And right now, currently that number is default because there's nothing, I haven't assigned anything to it. So the way to, so simply inside a function, you want to return something. You want something in return from that. So what we'll say here is we'll return a number, and then we can say we can times it by itself, right? And then we gotta get some results. So in a function, you can't just define it and then leave it. It won't do anything. So you have to simply like give it something. So let me show you what I mean. So I want my results. If I try to give you a result right now from what I did, you get nothing in return. So it'll just be blank. So what you could do is you just call my function, which is the name of the function, followed by its parentheses. And then inside you call it by giving it a value. So I'm gonna give it a 9, and then save it. And then I'm gonna try to run it. Okay, so now it gave me a value of 81 because a number by default it's itself a number. So I'm going to times a number to itself, and then when I call the function, I put in 9. So that 9 gets equal to, well, pretty much becomes that number or a number. So 9 times 9 is 81. Okay, I'm going to create another function, and this time I'm going to use more like a little algebra, if you must say. So let's create another function. Call it math. I'm gonna put a, you know what? And let's return something. Let's do that. Okay, so let me call this. So inside here, I'm going to say math, and I'm going to call two numbers. Let's just say 5, and for the y, 2. And let's see what happens here. Came back as -1. So what? So 5 times 6 divided by 2 plus 2 minus 2 times 9 equals -1. Maybe, I don't know. Well, there you go. A simple lesson on a function. Oh, another note. If you're using a function and you put in values within its parameters, then those values are they will only work inside its function. It won't work. These results that you put up in these parameters will not work outside of the function. So those are considered as scopes. So we'll get to another video on that topic. So that's all for my basic function. We're gonna continue to move on to that. So